everybody! I'm here today to show you how to raise one eyebrow. This is the easiest tutorial that you will find for doing this. So let's get right into the video. I'm going to show you one method, one trick that you can use to learn how to raise your eyebrow really quickly. It's unbelievably easy. So first of all, figure out what handedness you are. Are you right-handed or left-handed? Most of the time when you're raising one eyebrow, it's going to be much easier to raise the eyebrow on the same as your handedness. I'm right-handed, so I raise my right eyebrow just like that. It's kind of hard to do while you talk at the same time, while you think and talk while I'm doing this video. So for a lot of it, I will be quiet. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So what you want to do, this is the trick that I learned many years ago. You want to raise both eyebrows, and then you want to squint with the opposite eyebrow of the one that you want to raise. So I want to raise my right eyebrow, so I'm going to raise both, squint with my left. And you'll notice that when you squint, it pulls the eyebrow down. So naturally, you're going to keep that eyebrow that you want to raise raised up a bit. Naturally, you're going to keep it raised up a bit. So do that just for a little bit, okay? Raise both, squint down. Raise both, squint down. And you're going to start feeling this muscle flex. When you're squinting your opposite eyebrow, your raised eyebrow muscle is going to be flexing. Then that's all it is just getting a feel for what that muscle feels like. There's a muscle that controls your eyebrows. You are learning how to do it with just one eyebrow. It is literally no different than learning how to only flex your right forearm or your right bicep or your right pec, whatever the case is. Okay? It's the same thing. You just learned how to do these things, all of these different flexes, or your right leg muscle as a kid. You learned as a baby, as a child. Whereas this is not something that we teach ourselves. So I'm teaching you how to learn it and how to teach yourself. What you can do is use your finger to pull the eyebrow down and even pull this one up. I would recommend you try pulling this one down first because you want the muscle to pull this up. So both up and then finger down like that. And I feel this muscle here specifically working that. So practice that. I mean, you probably only have to practice it for 15 minutes, I would say, on the high end of things, probably less, and you're already going to get a feel for it. And then eventually you're going to be able to raise it just a bit, like that, just a little bit. When you get that done, you're like, wait a second, now it's working. So then you just practice, literally. Stare at a mirror, stare at yourself in a mirror. I'm looking at my camera screen over here, and just go like that. Over and over. Even if you can only do it a little bit like that, just like that, over and over, like that, faster. You can keep this eye squinted like that, okay? Just like that. Then what you want to do is focus on doing it without keeping this eye squinted. I'm going to stop talking because it's hard for me to multitask if you can't tell already, okay? So I'm not going to talk, but I'm just going to raise this eyebrow up just like this. And then you can hold it up. It's like doing a workout. Instead of doing bicep curls, you're doing eyebrow raises, just like this. It's literally that simple. That is how you raise an eyebrow. How you raise one eyebrow. It's that easy. It's not hard. All you gotta do is practice it for a little bit. It doesn't take that long, and you'll be good to go. This is the easiest tutorial on doing this that you will ever find. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.